Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook macaroni and cheese. This timeless dish is a true crowd pleaser, perfect for any occasion. We'll go over the fundamental steps, from selecting your pasta to crafting that rich, creamy cheese sauce. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a wonderfully satisfying meal that will bring warmth and joy to your table. Let's dive into making this comforting classic together. First, let's get our macaroni ready. You'll want to boil a generous amount of salted water in a large pot. Once it's at a vigorous boil, add your pasta. Cook it until it's perfectly al dente, that's firm but still has a little bite. This usually takes about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on the brand. After cooking, drain the pasta well but resist the urge to rinse it, as the starch helps the sauce adhere beautifully. Now for the star of the show, the cheese sauce. In a saucepan, melt about 4 tablespoons of butter, then whisk in 4 tablespoons of flour to form a roux. Cook this for about 1 minute. Slowly add 2 cups of milk, whisking constantly until the mixture thickens. Take it off the heat, then stir in 2 to 3 cups of your favorite shredded cheeses like cheddar and Gruyere until they're perfectly smooth and melted. Season with salt, pepper, and a touch of nutmeg. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your drained macaroni directly into the warm cheese sauce. Stir gently until every single piece of pasta is beautifully coated in that luscious, creamy goodness. If you like, you can transfer it to a baking dish, top with breadcrumbs, and bake for a golden crust. Serve your magnificent macaroni and cheese immediately, and prepare to enjoy this ultimate comfort food. It's truly a dish that warms the soul.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.